In English, this classification does not exist so sharply. Here in our tradition, we don't have teacher we don't call everybody the same grade. Everybody is not teacher in the same grade. The lowest grade is called Adhyapaka or Upadhyaya, meaning one who is teaching for a living. Like you teach in a school, teach in a college, you are compiling information and reproducing it. That is also useful. You are mostly kind of an editor. You compile useful information from many places and your presentation, present it, so that everybody's time is saved. This is called Adhyapaka or Upadhyaya. This is the lowest grade. This is what happened. For example, now your course is called as Yoga Instructor's course. After this Yoga Instructor course, don't call yourself a Yoga Guru. Don't even call yourself a Yoga Acharya. You are a Yoga Instructor. Okay? Don't put don't open a Facebook page. Yoga Guru. That is the lowest gradation, where you simply compile from different places and reproduce, like Wikipedia. Wikipedia is a Adhyapaka actually. Wikipedia is a Upadhyaya. The slightly higher gradation is Acharya. Acharya means someone who is doing the Acharana themselves. They are themselves on the path. They are themselves on the path, and since they have walked the path for some time, they are able to tell others that I have done this has helped me, this has not helped me. You may try and see. So Acharyas will give you mixture of both. They will compile information from various places also, previous masters and scriptures or whatever, and they will present it with, combine it with their experience and present it. So it's a mixture. There also you can make many gradations. Acharyas are of various levels. The degree of their personal experience may again change. That is Acharya. And Guru means somebody who has tread the path and he has finished treading the path. He has reached the goal. He has nothing more to do. And the teaching is happening just as an overflowing. It is not happening to get something out of it. Get something out of it means they are not teaching you because they want to work. They don't want to work. It is simply the work that they do is simply an overflowing. It is an expression of their joy. That's all. They are not acting to gain something from that. For example, if you have to contrast it with Acharya or Adhyapaka, why do you think I come to YIC class and then talk here for 1 hour? Because I cannot sit in my room all day. So these Adhyapaka and Acharya will still have some dependency. I am not coming here and talking to serve you or anything. I am coming here and talking because I don't know how to sit in my room always without doing anything. I don't know how to sit blissfully, therefore I come and talk here. So that is the gradation. You have to remember the gradation. Don't call everybody as Guru. Don't even call everybody as Acharya also. That's why there are 3. There may be even further gradations, but basically 3.